color is not necessary. And then now I am to give the show the user the command line, which means now you have to enter your name. Okay, so just a label, put enter your name. Okay, here set prompt first name equal, in this quotation put anything, then echo hi, choosing here this variable. Here is the thing. Okay, again at the beginning we removing unwanted things, then we put title as user input. Now we are going to show the directions to user by labeling. First you should enter your name. Okay, here is the part. The set mean you are going to set whatever the user input, the whatever the user input in his keyboard, you have to take it now. That's the point now for getting the user input mean. So for that you have to first give the set keyword, and here backslash with p means prompt. Okay, which means allow you to set the value of the variable. Here the f name is your variable, so this backslash with p give you to get whatever user input. Okay, and you are going to put equal. Make sure didn't make a space in here. Okay, if you make a space it will give you an error. It will nothing say, but it is error. Okay, so make sure don't give a space, and this is just a like symbolic part for making clear. It's nothing. It's just uh, like a label. We can say it's just like a message part. Okay, the thing is after this variable, whatever user going to write, it will save in this variable. Okay, f name is the variable. Whatever user type in that in his typing area, that variable take that values. Okay, clear now? Using this set dash p part. Is it clear? Why we using set dash p, and this why we are putting this variable? Dealing with variables and set it is a very important. So I think it's clear to you. And then now that whatever that here we are going to ask to enter his name now. So he said my name. Yeah, sure. Dash p means it means that just p means prompt, the name p means prompt. The thing is going the usage of this part is here. Until here we are saying user to enter your name, which means I'm a user, so I am going to enter my name. So as a programmer, you want to catch what I type. Okay, so that for getting that value, the user type, you have to set a variable. This is the variable. F name is variable. You can give any variable name. Just you can put a anything. You can give variable name is whatever you like. You can assign it. The part user going to enter is going to catch by this variable. Okay, that's why we are using set. It is setting that. It means like the compiler said whatever now you in future you user will enter something, so ready to get it. It says set ready to get it, something like that. In general, I'm saying general word. Okay. No, not a data type, just a type. Variable data type. Or variable means it is a placeholder. Okay, the variable is a placeholder, which means whatever that user going to put, it will be a name, it will be a number, it will be a symbol, whatever that that user entered, you have to catch that. The catching part, the catching thing is the f name, it is the variable. You got it, not a data type. Yeah, yeah. The set dash p is here, set dash p is the or whole the thing is going to catch that user input thing. Okay, dash p is the prompt part. Yeah, allow you to set the value of a variable to a line input, line of input, which means after here you are going to allow the user to take the typing area, and whatever the thing that user type in that typing area will catch by f name. The command is going to say you have to catch this is the set dash p. Are we clear now? Whatever we are going to type in there, that will catch by, that will assign, that is assigned to that f name. Okay, ICT, where are that command? Then where whatever type will that take? Yeah, ICT 77. Okay, whatever, here I am going to, he said me to enter my name, but I'm going to type number. It is also grabbed by that f name variable. Okay, yeah, okay. And okay, now that name here, think I'm going to type my name. So that if name has the user input part, now I'm going to reveal it. Okay, for that I use echo. Hi mean just a message. Okay, hi Nimesha, it will show you hi Nimesha. For reveal your variable, you have to use percentage mark. Within that between the percentage mark, you have to give the variable name. Okay, make sure this variable name is applied in here. Okay, yeah, we can check it here. This is the program user input, get user input here. First here it says enter your name. Yeah, I'm going to this is the part. Okay, this this symbolic is denoted in here. Here I put my name, Nisha. Here. It, it will show you the output as hi Nimesha. This is the what I input, what I give the machine, and machine catch it. The compiler catch what I type and it reveal it. Now it's clear, no? Is there any questions? Is it clear now? How we can get a user input and it reveal? Yeah, perfect. So, yeah. Now we are going to get two numbers by using. Here I am get a string. You can see the difference. Okay, you can see the difference. Or it is the same. You can just get a knowledge about that. And now I'm going to take two numbers in two different time, a user, and then I'm going to do the additional part. Okay, addition, which means I'm going to add that two number. For that at echo of echo of title add echo enter first number. Okay, now we have to set the typing area and we have to grab what's the user going to type. So set from number 1 is my variable and I am going to give the placeholder for that. And again enter the second number and I give the variable name as number 2. Yeah, we can print what is entered one. Okay, so that we can use echo first number is 1 and same like that second number will number 2. So now we are going to add those two numbers and give the output. So adding these two number and the output, that means number 1 and num1 and num2's values are we are going to add now that addition answer, which means think he is going to enter number 1 as 2, number 2 input as 3. So this 3 and 2's addition is 5 now. This 5 value we have to store another variable. You know, this is the basic addition part now. So we have to assign a third variable. For that,